Hello everyone, I'm Tushar.
My name is Vineet.
I'm Robotics.
Robotics.
Can you share with us how was your experience overall in these 6 days? What all are the things you have learned?
From the day one, I've been attending this workshop and it's been really amazing and very fun for each and every person to actually interact and learn on things. Especially because of its hands-on practices, it really helps help everyone, especially me, to learn a lot about sensors and a lot about how a sensor works, how it is connected, what makes what.
We started at a very low level of dealing with IR sensors and what they are and how to give connections, and we built our way on this 6-day journey to finally building a robot that can detect objects and take take pictures of selected objects only. So I could say that it's a very interesting workshop, and we finally understood that obviously robots cannot work without programming. So yeah.
In these 6 days, we learned a lot about robotics, from basic transistors, and latches, sensors, advanced sensors, ultrasonic sensors, and then we moved to robots. We started building actual robots. We built the obstacle detector, then we built line follower, then we included ESP32 module. Yeah, with that we included integrated camera and started doing video surveillance camera. And this we used a lot of boards, sensors, and lot of advanced robotics things.
So how now you are going to solve the real life problem using these learning?
So we are from IT background, so robotics will be useful anywhere in our life. And even if I go to my home, I can invent something like when I clap, turning on the light or turning on the fan. And when I clap, they'll be turned off. Like this, I can create something.
This actually helped a lot of things, and the sensors as such, we just had an idea of, but we never knew existed. But it can really help us in the future, and small things can make a big change is what I learned from